Action of digestive enzymes on food. Friends, today we will talk about action of digestive enzymes on food. If we are talking about digestive enzymes, so there are a lot of enzymes found in a human body. First of all, we will talk about an enzyme which is found in human mouth, and it is also known as salivary amylase, and it is also known as diastase. Diastase, and it is also known as ptyalin. So friends, we will talk about ptyalin or salivary amylase. Site of release is mouth. Chemical reaction: starch will be digested into maltose. Gastric gland: pepsin. Site of release: stomach. And if we are talking about chemical reaction, protein proteins break into proteases and peptones. Okay, next, pancreas. Name of enzymes: pancreatic amylase, trypsin, and lipase. If we are talking about pancreatic amylase, site of release is duodenum, that is front part of small intestine. Chemical reaction: starch splits into maltose and other sugars. Next, trypsin. Site of release is duodenum. Chemical reaction: proteins gives out peptides. Lipase. Site of release is duodenum. Chemical reaction: emulsified fat. Means such a fat which is which can be dissolved in water is known as emulsified fat, because fat can never be dissolved in water, but after emulsification it can be dissolved. So emulsified fat means such a fat which can be dissolved in water. Okay, so emulsified fat gives out fatty acids plus glycerol or glycerine, whatever you can say. Either you can say glycerol or glycerine. Next, ileum, which is which is a part of small intestine. It secretes in it secretes three types of enzymes: maltase, sucrose, not sucrose, sucrase, erepsin. Okay, over here it is sucrase, not o a. So maltase, sucrase, erepsin. If we are talking about maltase, site of release is ileum. Maltose sugar will be converted into glucose, and as far as sucrase is concerned, site of release is ileum, and sucrose sugar will be converted into glucose and fructose in the action of sucrase enzyme. Erepsin enzyme, it is released in ileum, and it breaks peptone into amino acids. Okay, so this is the action of digestive enzymes on food, and this chart is utmost important, very important, so keep in mind. Thank you.